Hey guys, my name is Brad Armstrong. I'm one of the assistant principals at Hillcrest High School, and I'm here to talk to you about some options you have for something called grade replacement. The Tuscaloosa County Schools has created something basically if you made a score of 69 or below for the first 9-week grading period, you have an option to do some schoolwork and bring that grade up. It's basically just a grade replacement option. Okay. Remember, this qualifies for students who did this. It's only for the first 9 weeks grading period, and you only qualify if you made a score of 69 or below. Okay. Now I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how it works and some options that you have. All right. First, if you take regular coursework or standard coursework here at Hillcrest High School, for example, English 9, English 10, U.S. History 11, just standard core courses. Remember, this is for first 9-week grading period only, 69 or below. You have two options if you take the regular coursework. First option is for you to do what's called the Annuity credit recovery portion. Now, to you, it's not really credit recovery, it's grade replacement, but on Annuity, it is probably titled credit recovery. It's just a little bit more simple of a version. What you would do is you have the option to pre-test out of things. It's a lot less rigorous than the other option. If you choose what's called the credit recovery option for grade replacement, you can do all of this work and you would then earn a 70 for whatever class that you choose to do that in. The other option for students who take regular coursework is what's called Annuity Initial Instruction. Now, whatever you earn in initial instruction is basically like you're taking the class again, and that's the difference between initial instruction and credit recovery. The initial instruction part, literally you're doing the entire course for the first 9 weeks grading period, and whatever you earn in that, you would receive as your new grade up to a 100%. That is the same exact thing that would apply to you if you're an honors or advanced coursework student. So again, that would be the Annuity Initial Instruction option. That's for any class that is available on Annuity. If you are an AP student or you're taking forensic science, maybe you're taking career tech or an elective here at Hillcrest High School, those classes are not available on Annuity necessarily. If you have a class that is not available on Annuity, you would have grade replacement options through Hillcrest High School teachers using Schoology. Again, this is for the first 9-week grading period only. There is a link on the main webpage for Hillcrest High School. Also, you will see this flow chart there, and those are available at hillcresthigh.tcss.net. So please check out our website for this flow chart and the registration link. In order to be eligible to attend the Annuity work, whatever option you choose, you will need to apply through the link that is available on our website. Again, that website is hillcresthigh.tcss.net. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call an administrator or a counselor. And the phone number here at Hillcrest High School is 205-342-2800. We'll be available for any questions you may have, and we'd like to help you out. So please, if you have any questions about grade recovery options, grade replacement options, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks so much and have a great day.